Yo, 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 yo! Whoa. Oh, g'day guys, it's Sam here and I'm super excited about this video. I've been waiting for it for a long time. Oh, you have no idea. This is going to be my first unboxing of my supercharger from Harrop Engineering. Finally arrived. Oh! 2300 FDFI. Let's just get straight into it. 4K cameras everywhere and they're going to overheat for sure. Do it! First up, super good box. Man, I hope you can see me up there. Ooh. I couldn't help myself. I already cut the straps. All right, what do we got on the first here is, looks like the intercooler. Now, if you know anything about anything, you know AdRad is a quality brand. Now I got to find somewhere to mount it. So it's a water to air intercooler. Next thing in the box. Ooh, there it is, boys. Now we'll get to that last, What else we got in here? We got, something. Okay, so I've gone a new timing chain. If you don't already know, I'll be doing the cam swap also, of course, to match the supercharger. Here we have some stronger valve springs. These are basically all the essentials you need. We've got our belt. This is the cam. Ooh. So this is the HO2 cam. So it's designed for that forced induction. What else we got? Electric booster pump. That'll probably be the pump for the water for the intercooler because it's a water to air. Instructions, couple of stickers. Injectors, which sounds empty because the rails are already installed on the supercharger. Thanks, Harrop. Oh. Hoses, intercooler hoses. More hoses, more hoses, more hoses. What's in this box? That looks like a pump and some bracketry. I don't really want to open this now because new map sensor, wiring harness. Now this, thank you Harrop. If anyone's ever done any work on an LS, you'll know that getting the bottom balancer pulley back on is a pain in the fucking ass because you just don't get the length on the bolt. So I do it up and then you can put the original bolt back on, but a bit of extra length there. More wiring, hose clamps. Come on, Sam, just pull the supercharger out already. Come on, come on. Alright, this is all stuck together. Gasket set. Oh, some nice spark plugs. Couple of hoses, couple of bolts floating around. Must be the cam bolts. Hey. Push rods. Alright. Oh! You gotta see that. Wait, you can see it there. I hope you can see it there. How strong is the table? Oh my god. What, don't they bolt it to the box or something? Yeah, maybe. Oh, they have. Okay. Alright. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Oh my god. The noise it makes. And that's a wrap, people. Everything's here. We've got the cam, we've got the intercooler, we've got the timing chain, we've got injectors, push rods, everything to go with the supercharger to get the maximum amount of power out of it. Oh, I'm so keen. Next weekend, we'll be going on. Okay. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. Don't forget to grab that merch, subscribe to any of my channels. I've actually started a new Facebook page as well, Built Not Bought. Just type that in, you'll see it. Got a couple of giveaways going here and there, so keep up to date with that. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button?
If you didn't, just hit it anyway, it's free.